We come for a study, and at the beginning we don't like it about the climate. It was cold.
Where they put their cannons and dynamite and stuff.
Have you ever been to the islands?
Not yet.
You don't have to pay for it.
We love free stuff.
I'm Dutch, so very,
I'm also Dutch, but Caribbean Dutch.
I am a legal advisor, but I am already finished. I am retired.
Still running, you know. How was it transitioning from America to Netherlands?
It's a lot.
What's up, guys?
Good.
Good day, good
Nice
day.
Good day.
I'm here with some friends of mine I just met from Peru,
Right?
and I'm gonna ask them a couple of questions, like how long you living in Netherlands for?
A long time, like 30, 35, 34, or something like that.
34 years.
Yes.
Wow. How you like it so far?
We come for a study, and at the beginning we don't like it about the climate. It was cold and everything. But long slowly we got pleasure to live here. It's very clean and a nice society.
And what do you think about the culture?
It's very open culture. Tolerate people. There's many migrants here, especially in this city. It's international because it's a university. People come from everywhere around the world to study here in Delft.
Yes, last time I was here, I went to Delft campus,
Yes,
Delft University.
yes, exactly.
And what kind of work you do here?
I am a legal advisor, but I am already finished. I am retired.
So you have your rest of your life just relax.
I have a couple of tasks to full the next year or something, but it's a small one. I have still clients need me to help with something, but not officially, because I'm already finished with the job.
When you came here the first time, how was the transition? Was it hard? Was it easy?
Oh, in the beginning always is hard because it's the language, the culture. Every day you have to learn more, and at the end of the day you are part of the society.
All of us.
Yes.
Yes. So I think I reached the end of my location. I'm going up here to see my cousin.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. I'm
See you
Steve.
next time.
Thank you very
Yes,
much.
bye-bye.
What's your name? Taira. And his name? Stefan. What's up, guys? Right now I'm here at Hotel Arsenaal, and as the gentleman was explaining me, here's where they used to stash weapons.
Arsenaal, yeah, that is armory, so that's where they put their cannons and dynamite and stuff.
I'm gonna go inside and show you guys what inside look like. He say now it's a hotel, so we're gonna go and see, but he say inside still have weapons and stuff like that, so we're gonna check it out. Here you got some artifacts. Okay, so we're gonna go inside and see what's going on. Walk with your boy. It's also a restaurant. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
The gentleman who was staying here was explaining me that inside here they stash weapons.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
No.
Oh.
That was
oh.
in the
In the past.
yeah, in the past.
Oh,
So
okay,
not anymore.
okay,
It's a
all
hotel
right.
now.
It's a hotel.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. What's your name?
I'm Julia.
I'm Steve.
Oh, perfect.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Just walking around quickly. You can go outside and have lunch, dinner, breakfast right out here. Quick tour. What I like about the restaurant so far is the windows, the seating. You can see the boats in the canal moving while you're having lunch. Oh, I'm vlogging.
It's amazing, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. How are you enjoying it so far?
Super. Very good. Yeah.
Fantastic hotel.
Where are you from?
I'm from St. Martin.
Ah, that's a long way.
Yeah, it's 13 hours.
Non-stop.
One stop in Trinidad from
Okay.
St. Martin, Trinidad is an hour and a half, and then 12 hours to Hanoi.
Yeah.
Skip
Could we
off.
have a little bit more sun from your place here?
I miss the sun. My skin is white.
Yeah.
I have to rub it with cream.
Yeah.
But I'm loving it, man. It's a beautiful country. Yeah. Yeah.
And you know, today and tomorrow are all the big monuments open, so that you can visit churches and some of the big houses here.
Okay, okay, okay. And you guys are originally from
Yeah, from this town.
Okay, Delft. My mom lives in Delft, so that's the reason I'm here. I'm visiting her.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So you visit her once a year, every 2 years? Or?
Once a year, so basically I was here by her last October. No.
Okay.
September till October.
Okay.
And then I went back to UK, stayed a bit, then back to St. Martin. Now I'm back here again
Yeah.
to visit my mama.
That's good.
Yeah. Yeah. Have you been to the islands?
Not yet. It's on our wish list for sure.
Put it on your bucket list.
Yeah, on the bucket list. Yeah.
You go to St. Martin and you stay at Maho Sonesta, one of the
Maho
best.
Sonesta. Is that
Maho
good?
Sonesta,
Yeah.
one of the best hotels on the
Oh,
island.
okay.
Or Westin.
Yeah, good.
Well, you guys enjoy your
Yeah, and
lunch.
you, eh? Yeah, say hello
Bye-bye.
to your mom.
Yes. Thank you. Bye bye. For you guys, a quick tour, and yeah, you go. So I don't know if you guys heard what Julie said. She said they're no longer storing weapons in here. Long time ago they used to, and it's now a restaurant, a beautiful restaurant. So anytime you guys come to Delft and you want to get a nice restaurant to eat at, you come here. What's the name of it again? It's Hotel Arsenaal. Yeah, Hotel Arsenaal. It's right there. Yeah, Hotel Arsenaal. So, yeah, guys. Place to be is Hotel Arsenaal, where you can wine and dine and look at the canal. All right. You got Lucha. Hi guys. You guys from around here? You guys from around here?
Nou, you can't over further, yeah. The bridge? The bridge and then...
No, I know where I'm going, but I'm asking if you guys are from around here.
Yeah, yes.
No,
Not from Delft.
Not from Delft, okay. Because I wanted to know what fun things there is to do in Delft.
Yes.
I just came from a canal tour,
Yes.
and I'm looking for something else
Yes.
fun to do.
It's finished about a half an hour.
Ah,
Because there was, yeah, he was inside. Nee, no.
What, the tour?
You were
Waar is het
inside.
monument nog?
Yeah, it's only, it is only a half hour till 5 o'clock. There was
tegen van het
ook
hotel.
an open day for monuments
Nou, ik
in
vind het
Delft.
goed.
oh.
Ja hoor.
Yes,
Heb je het
it's,
nou gehad?
it's very beautiful. Tomorrow it is also.
Where is it gonna be held at?
Tomorrow it's also over here. The
Oh,
monuments.
around here.
Yes,
Okay.
but also in the churches and Patricia houses.
Patricia houses.
And the museums are open for everyone.
Cool.
It's, you don't have to pay for it.
We love
And
free stuff.
I'm Dutch, so very.
I'm also Dutch, but Caribbean Dutch. Caribbean Dutch, St. Martin.
Okay.
Okay, you guys
Have
take
a nice
care.
day.
So guys, tomorrow we'll be back over here. Got some things happening. And yeah, we're gonna check it out. You guys are from America.
Yes,
Your first time in Holland?
I lived here for 4 years.
How you like it?
It's good.
How was it transitioning from America to Netherlands?
It's a lot.
A lot. Was it difficult?
I don't know. Parts of it, I guess. Have a good day.
Same to you.